Good morning, children. Today we are learning the continuation part of worksheet number 4. Bit number A, grammar. Tick right the correct words to complete these sentences. First one. Dash of these books belong to you. Which of these books belong to you? So in this way we need to select one proper option to complete the sentences. Dash is the name of this town. The answer is what? What is the name of this town? Fourth one. Dash is the house where Mr. Roy lives right in front of us. Dash is Mr. Biswa's house at the end of the road. Two options are given. In the first we select that this is the house which is near. That is Mr. Biswa's house which was far. Dash are my notebooks in my hand and dash are yours on the shelf. These are my notebooks in my hand and those are yours on the shelf. Now, sixth one. Dash is the new president of literary club. Who is the new president of literary club? Now coming to the next bit, that is B. Bit number B. Complete these sentences with the correct reflexive pronouns. First one. Reflexive pronouns means actually the pronoun like he, she, it, them, which reflect about us, which says about that person. For example, the first one is, if you don't believe me, ask the author himself. Means ask that man itself. So you should say, we use the word like himself. Second one, we told them that the house was haunted. They still went into the house by themselves. Third one, don't be nervous, I told Dash. As I walked on to the stage. You are saying to yourselves, I. I means myself. Don't be nervous, I told to myself as I walked on to the stage. Fourth one. The bird started cleaning Dash once everyone had left the room. Cleaning itself because it is doing her work. Fifth one now. Shireen went to the airport Dash to receive her grandmother. Her. So you should use herself. Shireen went to the airport herself to receive her grandmother. Sixth one. As our parents had gone to visit our uncle, we had the house to ourselves. So here we need to identify the pronoun first. Then you should add self and selves to the respective words. Now coming to vocabulary. Circle the correct homophones in each pair of sentences. Homophones. Homophones are the words which are pronounced in the same way but their meaning is different. First one, A. The surgeon arrived after an hour. Hour it is. But even though we'll say hour. The surgeon means a doctor. He came after an hour. B. He could not see dash house through the dense fog because the house was covered with the fog. Fog means the snow. Because of the winter season, it is covered with the fog. So, the boy could not see his house. Our house. O-U-R, our house. B. Second one A. The horse had injured its dash. Here you can see. The horse had an injury. Injured its heel. H-E-E-L, heel. H-E-E-L, heel means the leg portion of someone. B. It would take 3 weeks to dash. H-E-A-L, heel means it takes the time to recover. Suppose you got hurt today. By running you fell down. So what happens? You got a hurt on your leg. You will get a scar on that. But it takes some time to recover. Then after some days your leg become proper. You won't find the scar on your leg. That is called heel. Now third one. A. The house on the dash belongs to my uncle. R-I-G-H-T, right, is the direction. W-R-I-T-E, write means to write something on the paper or book. The house on the right. R-I-G-H-T, right means in the right direction. B. He used to dash poems for us on our birthdays. So someone used to write poems on the birthdays. Write. Here we select the word W-R-I-T-E, write, because we are writing something on it. Fourth one. Dear Molly, began Sam's letter. Dear means those who are very near to us. So we'll write D-E-A-R. Dear Molly, began Sam's letter. She is writing the letter to Sam. B. Naveen spotted many dash in the forest. What will you find in the forest? D-E-E-R, deer, or D-E-A-R, deer. That is D-E-E-R. Fifth one. A. We should not dash food. W-A-S-T-E, waste. We should not simply throw the food here and there, because everyone struggles for food. W-A-I-S-T, waist means the portion of your body which is below to your stomach, where we put our belt. On your school dress you put your belt, either the boys or the girls. That is known as waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. We apply belt there, put belt there. B. This skirt is too tight at the waist. Means the girl was unable to wear because it is too tight at the waist. Hope that everyone understood. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.